Chief Minister Ukram Ibobi Singh says top priority of his government is healthcare sector, followed by power sector. Ukram Ibobi Singh urges underground outfits to lay down their arms and join the mainstream. O Nabakishore takes charge as the 16th Chief Secretary of Manipur. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Laithangun Monica with the top stories. Chief Minister Ukram Ibobi Singh today urged the medical fraternity and nursing staff of Jennings to treat patients with sympathy, dignity and humanity so that the institute can become the #1 healthcare sector in the Northeast. The Chief Minister today inaugurated the two-day 5th Annual Conference of API Northeast and 5th APICON Manipur Chapter 2015 at Jennings Auditorium. The inauguration of the auditorium coincided with the opening of the seminar. Ukram Ibobi said the top priority of the state government is healthcare sector, followed by power sector. He said quarters for professors will be constructed soon on the Jennings campus to ensure 24-hour healthcare facility. The newly appointed Chief Secretary O Nabakishore said the auditorium, which has 730 seats, was constructed with an estimated cost of 16.07 crore rupees.
This is my humble appeal to all the medical professionals, whether it may be professors, and more particularly nursing staffs. I would like to appeal, please show your sympathy to the patients with humanity and with dignity for entire satisfaction of the patient. Only then the glory of this institution will raise up even up to the sky. Let us try to create the facilities and available only when the entire people of Manipur will thank and will praise the Jennings authority and more particularly medical professionals.
Dr. K.H. Lokeshwar Singh, organizing secretary of the conference, said 40 delegates from other states are participating in the two-day-long 5th Annual Conference of API East Zone and 5th APICON Manipur Chapter 2015. In today's technical session, infectious diseases perspective was discussed.
East Zone dagi lakpasi mapandagi ko nearly 40 delegates ne hinalai adagi ko Manipur gina 270 gumba restart hoy totally delegates yami RIMS adagi ko Jennings ka adagi di mapanda private level doctor physicians mo knowledge update to ta ni na kasi treatment sigi adugi cover to ko gi port ni aduna this is ko gi tasengna ga di ko yam kana ba prospective ni ai kana ni khali ko satra sing develop to ni tamong ni khali.
Chief Minister Ukram Ibobi Singh today once again called on the underground outfits to lay down their arms for a political dialogue and join the mainstream. Speaking at a seminar held at IGAR South under the theme "An Emergent Manipur, the Way Ahead," organized by IGAR South, the Chief Minister said problem of militancy and frequent bans and blockades have hindered the developmental progress of the state. He also maintained that the government is committed to provide an administration that will give equal opportunity to all the people of the state. Deputy Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Presho Simre, PHED Minister I. Hemochandra, top civil and police officials of Manipur government, high-ranking officers of IGAR South and students of various schools attended the seminar. Experts will deliberate on insurgency in Manipur, development and inclusive growth in Manipur, Indo-Myanmar relation, challenges and opportunity in the technical session of the seminar.
Manipur, a place of immense tourism potential. Unfortunately, despite this strength, we have not been able to put this into good use. We are plagued with the problem of militancy. Because of this, we are till today under development and poverty. We do recognize that peace and progress and prosperity go together. We have taken up several welfare and development schemes for the benefit of our people. Unfortunately, frequent bans, blockades, and widespread extortion have been hindrance to our endeavors.
Speaking on the occasion, GOC 3 Corps Lieutenant General Bipin Rawat observed that suspension of operations signed with the militant groups to solve the problem of insurgency has been unsuccessful. He maintained that although incidents of violent encounters have lessened in recent years, bomb blast and extortion still continue unabated, affecting the development of the state.
Over the years, the underground troops have been thrown out from the stronghold into Myanmar, and the violence levels are largely under control. In spite of this, large sections of the society do not empathize with the security forces or appreciate their role in keeping peace in Manipur. The first and foremost step for engaging underground troops in Manipur would be the initiation of identifying common ground which are acceptable to both the conflicting groups and the government machinery through an inclusive mechanism. The contradictory demand of various insurgent groups will have to be amalgamated in consonance with the voices of the people to reach a practically viable solution of bringing normalcy in the state.
Governor V. Shanmuganathan has greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. In his message, the governor said Gandhiji propagated and lived the ideals of truth and non-violence and held them as key to peace and prosperity. He urged the citizens to follow the teachings of Gandhiji and forget the differences for the larger good of all. He also asked the people to honor the great soul by joining the Swachh Bharat mission to keep the country clean. Integrated Manipuri Association Bangladesh yesterday observed the 119th birth anniversary of Hizam Irabot at Irabot Complex, Panubil in Bangladesh. Manipuri living in Bangladesh took part in the observance, which began at 10:30 a.m. with people offering floral tributes to the memorial of the leader. A recitation competition on the poems written by Hizam Irabot was also held. Locals of Thangmaiban, Maisnam Lekai, Yumnam Lekai and Sinam Lekai lit candles on roads and bylanes of their respective localities to mark the 119th birth anniversary of Jananeta Hizam Irabot yesterday night. Representatives of Naharo Leshemba Club and Maira Paibi of Thangmaiban Sinam Lekai also held a candlelight vigil at the Athoba Singhi Khubam at Thangmaiban Cherauching. All Manipur Bar Association today held a condolence meeting on the sudden demise of retired District and Session Judge C. Upendra Singh at Amba Office, Cherab Court Complex. Amba in a press release said a 2-minute silence was also observed as a mark of respect. Amuko also condoled the death of retired District and Session Judge C. Upendra Singh by observing a 2-minute silence. Amuko in a press release said the sudden demise of C. Upendra has created a void which can never be filled. Consumer District Dispute Redressal Forum Imphal in a press release also condoled the death of retired District and Session Judge C. Upendra Singh. Sagolban Kendra Development Cum Beneficiary Committee condoled the death of former District and Sessions Judge C. Upendra, who took keen interest in social issues. At least 15 volunteers of Nehru Yuva Kendra of Imphal West and Imphal East today donated blood at RIMS Blood Bank. As directed by Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan, New Delhi, blood donation camps are being held in different states. Oinam Nabakeshwar, an IAS officer of Manipur Tripura 1984 cadre, today took charge as the 16th Chief Secretary of Manipur. O. Nabakeshwar, who hailed the additional Chief Secretary post, also became the first Meitei to hold the top post of Civil Administration Service. Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms issued the appointment order yesterday. Top officials of various departments today welcomed the newly appointed Chief Secretary at its chamber. O. Nabakeshwar, who was born and brought up in an ordinary family, said if one has a strong determination and willpower, one can achieve everything one desires, and appeal to the youth of the state to work hard and never be discouraged.
Me amagi masagi willpower leraba, determination leraba, hard work toragadi kanna bu honaragadi soidana mana phangi ba pandamdu phangbi ai. It all depends on hard work and the determination. And yamna hard work tawbiu, yamna laik pabiu, sana khonabagi thabaksu sum thawai yawbiu. Manipur gi Danatana, India gi amasung Prithvi gi sugum lamjen sida competition sida yawi dana makok thongba du oibiu.
O. Nabakishore also asserted that he will use e-file clearance mechanism to ensure speedy file processing system in the offices of Manipur. He also said keeping a good administration in the interior areas of the state as his top priority. The new Chief Secretary also maintains that he will try to win the confidence of the people by conducting regular meetings with Deputy Commissioners of every district and field visit.
Rural area amasung hill area da khara mapangal kankal anba pami last few years sida khoi gi law and order situation phatki da badagi khoi gi officing si amana far flung area da operate over difficult oi badagi district headquarter da to khara yauri masi hojikti law and order situation si yamna phagal abanina hai officing si mahar masagi hana leiba mafam sida restore tawna ba physical files nataba everything si electronic format da onthooga ngasagi officer amadagi officer amada chatpa aduga clearance file da electronically some computer da lawba aduga sai hodoke na kana onajari.
A 27-year-old man was shot dead by unidentified armed men this afternoon. He was identified as Mohammad Manoj Khan, son of Mohammad Hanifa from Khabaisoi Sabal Lekai. Family members of Mohammad Manoj Khan was a mason and engaged in construction work at Ketrigaon. The assailants sought him near the Heptagaon club at Khabaisoi Sabal Lekai around 4 p.m. He was shot in the chest and succumbed to the bullet wounds at Raj Medicity, North AOC. Manipur today joined the world in observing International Day of Older Persons 2015 under the theme Sustainability and Age Inclusiveness in Urban Environment. Department of Social Welfare Government of Manipur observed the day at Wangbal Community Hall, Thobal District. Gifts were presented to elderly persons of belonging to different communities. Speaking at the function, Khangabok MLA Okram Landhoni said all should know their responsibilities and duties towards their parents and take care of them. In his speech, Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister A.K. Mirabai Devi said the department understands the problems faced by the elderly persons, which is why the department has started distributing old age pension and Indira Gandhi old age pension in their respective localities.
Tasengnamak ahal oirabagi matam haibase yamna pungning nungsiningai oiba pungningsda aikoi isuna isana hanna yengbirataba matamda aikoi bu karaida haidana aikoi pungningsda phawriba nungaitaba mayamsing ado madu aikoina isada depend tawba ngamaktaba isuna ngasi aikoi makoina harau na tawbirataba matamda phawriba pungningi nungsiba nungaitaba kayasing ado khare khaktang oirabasu koknabagi damatani hariba aikoina all age pension piduna ansingbo karigumba khareda oirabasu settle tawnaba hoinariba masida natana tongan ba Manipur gi district mapanda paikhatliba aged home sing laiba kana laijadraba akoi ahalsing laiba mahakna masu nomduna sujan objabati ngamdraba mayam sing ado madugi damakta leifam oinabagi damakta aged home kayama akoi sari.
Senior Citizens Forum Imphal East observed the day at Multipurpose Community Hall, Wangkai Kaithel Asangbi. Several retired persons belonging to different walks of life took part in the observance. National Awardee Hanzabam Nandakishore Sharma and Yai School MLA Ilangbum Chan were among those who attended the function. IMC Councillor Y. Ratikanta told Impact News that the observance of the day will be more meaningful if elderly persons are looked after well by their children.
International Old Age Day na thamakpasi aikoigi yumda laiba ahalaman moigi wakhan choisalakpa brain choisalakpa singbu aikoina yam hanjana khalandina ba aikoigi lamda tawnarakpa masi ahalaman singda priority piba yumdure laiba ahalaman singdu yam phajana seba tawningba kaida soigi de kaidogi ge haibe wakhalda thambiba aduga masa masu sing oiba sing aikoina ahalaman singi damakta ene thabak sapa tharom khodimakta ningsingbi baibase mathau tabani.
Manipur Legal Services Authority also observed the day at All Manipur Women's Association Complex, Purana Rajbari, Nongmaibung. Chief Judicial Magistrate cum Secretary District Legal Services Authority Imphal East, A. Nautuneshwari Devi, Advocate C.H. Bimol Chandra Singh, Advocate Salam Devananda Singh, Advocate Thiam Rakesh Raj Kishore Singh and All Manipur Women's Association President K. Binodini, among others, took part in the event. Speaking on the occasion, CJMA Nautaneshwari Devi reminded that those who mistreat elderly persons can be punished under the law.
Nahasingina ahanda karma bebhar satkani khangdaba amadi ahansingina angangsingida karma mieng yengani haiba sidegi ayamba thorpasing ase Manipur State Legal Services Authority na senior citizen singsida karigumba masa masu sing natraga atopa samaj ke phibumdagi mapugo nahetpiraba otpiraba amoi hakmatpiraba goidi ain yu oiba akoi lamda akoi namkoida lemna legal aid pigani haiba message thamjagi.
District Social Welfare Office Imphal East and Social Upliftment Welfare Organization also jointly observed the International Day of Older Persons 2015 at the office of Suwo Nomaibong. Blankets were also distributed to the elderly persons of IMC Ward number 21.
aduna koina piningiba message di kasai ahalaman singjibu zagra samto ju thangmi naraga nungsina harauna ngaktang orju punsigi kodong nuaitaba marakta minute amato orju mokoida momon noksanabagi pandamda koina asamba kudol amktang piraga tonga wakhan nungaina ba sinjabane koina.
The day was also observed by Wangjing Women and Girls Society in Thoubal District. Elderly persons were presented with gifts on the occasion. The draft electoral rolls of 60 assembly constituencies of Manipur have been published today. People can verify or inspect them at the office of ERO, EROs and designated locations and file objections or corrections till October 30. Thangmaiban Block Mahila Congress Committee today felicitated newly elected President of Manipur Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee, L. Tilotama. Taking opportunity of the congregation, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Secretary Jotin Waikom, who is likely to be the Congress candidate of Thangmaiban by-election, reiterated his invitation of an open debate on development work taken by former MLA of the constituency. Taking a zibe on the former MLA, Jotin Waikom said people of the constituency understand the former MLA was disqualified midterm because of his immature politics. President Mahila Congress Committee, L.T. Lotama, said women of the constituency will take an important role in electing a ruling MLA from the constituency, which has produced even a chief minister of the state.
Ngasi bawda thamai bandagi MLA mata disqualified tawdri kari gino ngasi disqualified tawriba maturity watpa ranji gi foundation yaudaba ngahaki Pashada natraga mi wanda oida bakra sandoga election tawne na honar padagine lasi laita ba housing scheme shungla lakri ba housing scheme pi ge ne na thamiban ki kachin goyada pada khomjan ba pasha khomjan ba tongan ba document jing khomjan ba se ako yam lai bak thio poram mane lasi phawada bharat na congress li sang sina sason torpu matamda congress party ki scheme natraga du ki scheme na lakko yaw prabra live scheme khudimak Manipur Prajagi Damakta, India Gama PM Toba Takhung Neo.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News. Puya Mai Thaba Kibagi Apunba Ningsing Loop, a committee comprising of 7 organizations, is going to organize Puya Mai Thaba function on October 29. Akom Lop Kanglei Park chairman said the organization will organize various functions starting this year in collaboration with the Apokpa Marup, Manipur Pandit Loishang, Kangla Mai, Kanglei Imal Lop, Panthoibi Sindam Sanglen, Chanura Lamjing Den, Kanglei Park. Chairman Lainingba Mangi said a 9-member committee has also been formed to organize the Puya Mai Thaba remembering the day of October 5, 1732. He appealed every section of the society to attend the function to make it successful.
Ani thokningai maram leite maram de Saitharong Kumbasi Manipur ge State Chronicle ni internationally recognized over London na khangaba world power number 1 sina aduna asida imam oidana tawragadi kholeba ki kangkhong chairane abeli paksi ki tangdu leita debje ko manabi asoba ama khonang thaba superman no saras damas ko ba friends ki like pokto adugi sam manaba ma ngasi si leirabina mayam puya mai thaba da sei na bismai kokcherani.
A cleanliness program was held at Lamlai Primary Health Center today with the objective to keep the center neat and clean. Locals, ASHA members, students, Mera Paibis, staff of PHC cleaned the center since early morning. Malaria Department of State Health Society under the aegis of National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program organized an awareness program on Wednesday at Saikul, Sadar Hills after a report of Japanese encephalitis infection in the area. A team-led State Malaria Officer Dr. Zaki Kam also sanitized Saikul Bazaar using fogging. Locals were also advised to use mosquito net to prevent from diseases spread by mosquitoes at the awareness program.
ngasi khoi lakchariba siliba program ase National Health Mission Manipur gi makhada oina lakchabani rapid action team haina ekhoina semaga team asigi state IC consultant aduga ate district ki level da district consultant amasung district ki technical supervisor sing loinamak yauraga team asida ekhoina ngasi gi program ase pangthok chabani.
Consumers of Jinga and Moirangkom water supply scheme have been asked to report leakage or breakage of pipelines to Public Health Engineering Department. Special Secretary Information Technology and Ashok Kumar said multinational companies are ready to make a foothold in Manipur if the condition of power, internet and law and order improve. Speaking at the 27th Foundation Day celebration of National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Akampat, Ashok Kumar said today information technology is a must in every sphere. Manipur is not only famous for sports and culture but also a hub of human resources in the field of IT and electronics. A translation book titled Adomgi Electronics Ki Potlam Singh Jackson was also released on the occasion. Position holders of BCA and MCA exam conducted by Manipur University were also felicitated during the Foundation Day celebration. Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM today felicitated toppers of High School Living Certificate Examination 2015. Education as Secretary and Board of Secondary Education Manipur Chairman H. Dilip said, "It is very unfortunate that students indulge in unfair means to score high marks in the examinations." He said, "Students should attempt not only to score good marks but become good persons." Today's felicitation was hosted by BOSEM at MFDC Hall. H. Dilip asked the teachers to impart quality education to the toppers. 2015 HSLC exam topper Melody Khoirom of Khoman Mahikol School was presented with gold medal and citation, while second position holders Toizam Sanzina of Little Flower School and Gurumayum Gopal Krishna Sharma of Don Bosco High School was presented with silver medals, citation and 10,000 rupees. And third position holder Victoria Ngambam of Nirmalaba School was given a cash award of 8,000 rupees. Different organizations also sponsored cash awards for toppers in different subjects. Alumni of Johnstone Higher Secondary School batch of 1964 and 1999 felicitated top scoring students in the Class 12 examination 2015. Altogether, 9 students in the Science, Arts and Commerce streams were felicitated at the school's auditorium hall. The Kalachand Sastry Memorial Cash Awards sponsored by the 1964 and 1999 batch were also awarded today. Asangba Communication Imphal in a press release said 3 books, namely Angaubido Aigi Imani by Priyoberta Ilangba, Pongi Cheklani Aidi by Taurim Ongbi Suniti Bala and Torban Duda by Chongtham Dipu will be released on October 2 at Dev Literature Center, DM College. Laimarol Khorzai Khol Imphal will celebrate its 15th Foundation Day on October 3 at 1 p.m. at Manipur Press Club. Now the sports news. Nisa Thamaiban trounced Trau Kwakitel 3-0 in the 10th Manipur State League football tournament today. El Roshan, KH Sitaljit and KH Nauton scored the goals in the 12th, 74th and 88th minute of the match, whereas the match between Aim Khabam and JFC Churachandpur was drawn 1-1. And Boris scored the goal for Aim, while the equalizer was netted by Jinmin Lum of JFC. MPSC will clash with YPHU Lalambung in the first match and SSU Singjamai will take on Trokpur Nambol in the second match tomorrow. ESU Wangkai and 11-star SU Akampat were drawn 1-1 in today's first league match at the Maharaj Kumar Ganendrajit Memorial Super Division Football League tournament. In the second league match, KIYC Khetri Iril Mapal trounced Citizen Club Soibam Laikai 5-0. The tournament is organized by Imphal East District Football Association. YOSC Kurai will meet SAK Yumnam Kuno in the first league match tomorrow, while PYA Kairang will meet UPAA Kiamgai in the second league. The 33rd District Inter-Club and State Open Ranking Table Tennis Championship kick off today at the indoor hall DM College. 120 male and 40 female players are taking part in the championship organized by District Table Tennis Association Imphal West under the aegis of Manipur Table Tennis Association. Mpunsiba of Thoubal District defeated TH Rakesh of Imphal East District in 3 sets. RK Rohit of Imphal East District also defeated KH Joykisor of Imphal West District in 3 sets in the cadet boys event. RK Chelbia of Thoubal District defeated H. Gita Lakshmi of Imphal East District in 3 sets. The 34th Inter-District and 16th State Badminton Championship began today at Indoor Stadium, DM College. 239 players from 5 different districts are competing in the championship. Imphal West District entered the final of the Inter-District Junior Team event, defeating Imphal East District 3-0. While Thoubal District also stormed into the final, defeating Bishnupur 3-1. The final will be played tomorrow. Manipur team today left Imphal for Goa to participate in the Senior Girls National Football Championship to be held in Goa. Champion team Manipur comprises of 20 players and 2 officials. Captain Ratan Bala is leading the team while AFCA license holder L. Chaubadevi is the coach and All Manipur Football Association treasurer L. Dinamani is the team manager. Manipur will compete in Group A league matches with Punjab and Puducherry. Manipur faces Punjab on the 7th of this month while it will take on Puducherry on the 9th. Goa Football Association is hosting the championship under the aegis of All India Football Federation. Manipur University Inter-College Volleyball Tournament kick-off today at Modern College, Porompat. In men's first match, Modern College defeated Moirang College 25-10, 25-8, 25-12. In the second match, DM College of Science defeated Liberal College 21-25, 25-19, 25-21, 25-19. In women's first match, Modern College defeated Moirang College 25-4, 25-12, while in second match, Imphal College defeated Biramangol College 19-25, 25-7, 15-11. Yai School A Kankut defeated LSK Wangoi Kankut 18-17 in the 11th Players Trophy League cum Knockout Open Kang tournament organized by Yai School Kankut at Sri Sri Gopal Deva Mandav Yai School Chingakam Lekai. Gopal Deva Kankut Yai School will play Nika Nilakuti Kankut tomorrow. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh says top priority of his government is healthcare sector followed by power sector. Okram Ibobi Singh urges underground outfits to lay down their arms and join the mainstream. And Ona Bakishore takes charge as the 16th Chief Secretary of Manipur.